this lesson, we're exploring S3 Lifecycle Policies. They are a powerful way to automate how your data is stored, transitioned, and eventually deleted in Amazon S3 if necessary. Imagine you're managing thousands of files, logs, backups, media, and reports. Some of these are accessed daily, others monthly, and others just once a year. Keeping everything in high-performance storage like S3 standard isn't cost-effective. That's where lifecycle policies come in. Lifecycle policies are rules you apply to an S3 bucket that tells AWS when to move objects to cheaper storage classes and when to delete objects that are no longer needed. These rules help you optimize costs, automate cleanup, and enforce retention policies without lifting a finger. In the next lesson, we will go hands-on on lifecycle policies on the AWS console. Thanks for watching, and see you then.